Hey Bright Eyes, it's good to see you. We have a brand new promising week ahead of us. Let's make it a little bit better with some Spanish practice. Ready? Let's begin with last video's questions. Let's go!
Language games.
What are some soft skill examples? ¿Cuáles son algunos ejemplos de habilidades blandas? Empathy, some kind of communication, and I forgot the last one. Empatía, algún tipo de comunicación, y se me olvidó la última. What do experts predict for these skills? ¿Qué predicen los expertos para estas habilidades? That they will rise in value as AI takes over other kinds of occupations. Que subirán de valor conforme la IA toma otros tipos de ocupaciones. Right, today we're working with some personal thoughts on cooking, which might be a bit controversial, so fasten your seatbelts for this one. Let's do it. Onion should not be blended into sauce. One of the best parts of onions is their crunchiness, and when you blend them, you destroy that quality. A better alternative is to chop them up and add them to the sauce, fresh or sautéed. La cebolla no debería licuarse en la salsa. Una de las mejores partes de las cebollas es que son crujientes y cuando las licúas destruyes esa cualidad. Una mejor alternativa es picarlas y añadirlas a la salsa frescas o salteadas. Now you go. Pointers. For their crunchiness, we are using que son crujientes, which actually means that they are crunchy, because there is no word for crunchiness as such in Spanish, so we adapt the whole phrase. For blend, we use licuar, which is pretty straightforward, although licuar does imply the use of a blender. We wouldn't use it for like mixing or blending in a crowd. Questions. Why shouldn't onions be blended into sauce? ¿Por qué no se deberían licuar las cebollas en la salsa? What's a better alternative? ¿Cuál es una mejor alternativa? Beautiful. We're making some progress. That's going to be it for today. Remember to answer this video's questions in the comments, and I'm excited to share with you my new profile on Preply, where you can book a class with me to get a one-on-one guided reading and practice session. Pretty much the same we are doing here, but way more dynamic, interactive, and personalized for you. So, I hope to see you there. I'll be back at the end of this week with a new video. Until then, Be excellent. Goodbye.
Language games.